kwarto walang super town. Sabi ko, bakit hindi sila maglagay?
Maybe they just went to pick up the trash and did not bother to check if it needs some kind of a
In the morning,
the issue.
ang naglilinis sa kwarto. Bakit hindi sila maglagay ng super town?
Yeah.
Si
Iba
Clem,
talaga,
ate.
no? Yeah.
Ah,
See, look, it's almost empty, huh?
Hindi sana ganyan.
Yeah.
Hindi na nagtrabaho sa umaga.
Yeah, I didn't see the person in the morning.
Kasi ang trabaho ko lang mag-pick up lang ng trash.
Yeah.
And if they call me only for the staff. Sabi ko sa lead person ko, paano hindi ako magbibihay?
Yeah,
Naglalagay
to
pa
take
ako ng
care,
mga
yeah.
toilet paper.
Oh yeah, that's true.